Hello, fellow social informaticians. Welcome to the ninth session of our class, Social Informatics, in which we are gonna review together the second case study. The previous case study was about the effect of data analytics in the field of supply chain management. Today, we are gonna review a case study in the field of healthcare. A quick review on why we are doing this. Our course is social informatics. Social informatics is basically try to analyze impact of informatics in its cultural and organizational structure context to make it more technical and related to our major. We analyze the effect of the impact of data analytics or informatics in different field of expertise, while we are trying to also explain the job opportunities that are being created because of data analytics in the fields that are not used to be, or they were not uh, dominated by data analyticians. But for example, in the previous case that we studied together, you notice that the authors over there mentioned that death of supply chain management and what is going to replace that data analysis. Today we are going to do the same things in the field of healthcare. But just as a heads up, it is not only in the traditional way we understand healthcare. It is going to focus just very quickly, just very rapid review on all the fields related to healthcare. Okay, the title of the paper, the article that we are going to check together is this: why analytics is at the foundation of healthcare transformation. As it is apparent in the title, it is exactly related to the course, to the definition of, to the description of our course, Social Informatics. See, analytics, that is informatics, foundation of healthcare transformation, organizational structure change because of informatics. So this paper, in fact, serving exactly the most important objective of this class, that is to analyze that thing. Okay, the paper is published by Healthcare Innovation by Kerry Brook on November 20th, 2018. Who published this article? It is always important when we are reading an article, when we are analyzing an article, know about the publisher. Exactly the same way, for example, when we hear that, for example, X car company has made a car, okay, just because of our knowledge and our information of that car company, we can predict many things about that car. For example, just imagine when they tell you, for example, a new model by General Motors, by Ford, or by Chrysler. What do you think about them? I'm telling you, something comes automatically before even you hear about the car because of the background knowledge you have about the manufacturer. So it is always wise to know about the publisher. Okay, the publisher, Healthcare Innovation, whose previous name was Healthcare Informatics. It's very interesting coincidence that they changed the name of the system from Healthcare Informatics to Healthcare Innovation. We this semester had such a experience in our department, and we changed the name of our department from computer informatics to data analytics. And here it is another proof that how much these two things are connected to each other. And of course, because now you have a deep understanding because of those lectures that we had in this regard about informatics and about analytics, that why they changed the name, because this system, this institution is in the United States, and in the United States, definition of informatics is different from definition of informatics in Europe. And because of the fact that they are focused on the American definition of informatics, so they changed the name to something else. So they could also have changed the name to healthcare analytics. Okay, that has been serving its readers and event attendees since 1981. They work in this field, and as you can see, they are working in this field since 1981, and they constantly publish articles and hold seminars, conferences, and prestigious technical gatherings. They are a leading publication in the field of healthcare, especially healthcare management, and they are winners of numerous national awards for editorial excellence. The editors of Healthcare Innovation draws upon decades of experience in covering the industry as they interview leading figures in US healthcare. So far with all the things that we have reviewed, you notice that we usually should expect that the material they publish are reliable because they are based on decades of experience and interviews with leading figures in US healthcare, and they are focused in and they focus is US healthcare. Healthcare Innovation, the institution, delivers a bi-monthly print magazine and digital edition, daily e-newsletters, and a comprehensive website that I will provide you with the link to the article so you can find the website just in case in future you are working more in the field of healthcare, especially with the things that we are going to discuss today in our class. And in this institution, an annual subscription is free to qualified healthcare professionals, so that makes it even more reliable that healthcare professionals, qualified healthcare professionals, can be part of this community free. So it means that the community is huge. The next, after we noticed about the credibility of the institution, it's not bad to check who is the author. We exactly did the same thing with the case we reviewed together regarding supply chain management, but since the journal name was Harvard Business Review, we did it fast because everybody knows about that, and after that we started checking about the authors. Okay, here the author, as you can see, Kerry Brook, um, is working in Salesforce company. But what is Salesforce company? Again, you should notice the people who we are reviewing their ideas about the effect of informatics, about the effect of data analytics in the world. Uh, how much they are reliable, how much they are knowledgeable, how much they are experienced in that field. Because analytics is the name of your department. Analytics is the name of your major when you are graduating from our college. You will get a diploma in the field of data analytics. So let's see those people who are talking about the effect and impact of our major on some sectors, how much they are reliable. Okay, Salesforce company or incorporated is an American cloud-based software company headquartered in San Francisco, California. Okay, so far just a cloud-based software company, but what they are working on, Salesforce provides customer relationship management software and application. And remember, these softwares that are mentioned here are using analytics a lot. So customer relationship management software and applications focused on sales, customer service, marketing automation, analytics, and application development. So the company that this lady is working for is has defined analytics, and one of its major services and product that it produces. Founded by former Oracle executive, Salesforce quickly grew into one of the largest companies in the world. Salesforce was the first cloud computing company to reach $1 billion in annual revenue by fiscal year 2009. So just see how big this company is. And finally here, Salesforce ranked 136th on the most recent edition of the Fortune 500, making $26.5 billion US dollar in 2022. So the company is in the list of Fortune 500. The company has been the first cloud computing company to reach 1 billion revenue, and now they are making this. But okay, Kerry Brook, the writer, is the senior vice president of Salesforce Cloud Marketing. She has more than 20 years of experience in the enterprise software and cloud technology sector as a strategic thinker and leader. This person with this resume in this company is gonna share her ideas with us about the effect of data analytics, our major, on the healthcare department. Healthcare sector. What is healthcare provider? A person or entity that provides medical care or treatment. It means that healthcare providers include doctors, nurse practitioners, midwives, radiologists, labs, hospitals, urgent care clinics, medical supply companies, and other professional facilities and businesses that provide such services. So healthcare provider, you see, is such a wide definition and it covers many sectors.